on?
Yeah, it's on. You want to say anything?
What's up, dude?
I have a federal warning now.
Max has a federal warning on his passport. Because it's expired.
By 4 years.
By 4 years. Yeah, the guy's like, oh, yeah, no, you can't, motherfucking, cross into Mexico. We were like, pretty please, pretty please. So we're in Mexico right now. What are we doing today, Max?
We're getting your MF card.
MFZ. We're gonna update you guys into what exactly happened or what's going down. When did they see? I had to buy rack and pinion. I had to get that installed. I had to wire the LEDs. They stitched up the seat with the airbag deployed. And it's done, basically. It's pretty much ready to go. So we're in Mexico now. The labor and everything, it was like $500 to paint it all and do all that, right? I mean, it's cost effective. So right now we're waiting for our uncle to get picked up so we can go look at them MFC, baby. Then we gotta drive it back, then I got work. You know what I mean?
And what time is it?
It's 12:29, so it took 2 months.
What time do you have work?
3. It's okay. YOLO. Now with the Z, I'll get there faster. But yeah, it took what, 2 months for the paint and dry body work, all that polish, everything. It took like 2 months. I got the car how long ago? Like
July
28th, right? It's October 15th, so it's good. It's all set, ready, it's done. All I need to do is buy insurance. But yeah, unfortunately we didn't have like any progress pics. I have pictures, so we could put pictures up.
Yeah.
To see like what the difference is and stuff.
Yeah.
My uncle was sending me updates on like the body work and the paint and all that stuff. So we have pictures, no videos, but we can put them up to see how it ended up. But now we're just here looking at the end result, like the MF, and the final product. And then we'll make hella dank memes, videos, and all this.
Streets of TJ. We'll get back when we're at my grandma's house, right?
Yep, grandma's house.
All right.
Hello? My grandma called my tío called my grandma to like, hey, where are you guys at?
Wait, who was on the phone?
My mom.
Oh.
My mom called my grandma. We gotta go out in front of this little farmacia.
Yeah. All right. It's right here or something? All right.
He's gonna need new tires. So maybe we'll just give him like $30 for it. Kill it with the lump.
Yeah. That looks crazy.
Are you controlling that?
Yeah.
What?
Looks nice. Looks super nice. I bought those because they told me I thought I needed them. I was like, what do I need these for? These right here?
Yeah, because it's finishes off the phone.
Yep. Take bonito.
Did you see the seat?
No, not yet. I'll look at it right now. Cool. Cool. Yeah, looks good.
The door works.
I know, right?
So look at this tire. Yeah, this is the tire he had. It's like barely. You see?
Yeah.
Barely has.
Yeah.
So you need this tire, and these you're gonna strip eventually.
Yeah, burnout or what?
Because they're all faded.
Yeah. Yeah, I was planning on getting new tires anyway. Get some like, I don't know.
But it has the whole still intake and exhaust.
Yeah?
Yeah, that exhaust is like $1,400.
For real? Yeah.
Stilling's a real good brand. It's like
They built it to like a twin turbo 370Z.
well, he's been fixing them since they were like 300s.
Yeah.
So he's been at it like since 89, 90.
Oh. Qué bonito, ¿no, abuela?
Qué bonito quedó.
Enterito. The dog Sonic.
One of the chemicals, the dog goes for it.
Yeah, that's fun.
So
I'll
just be aware that you may be
yeah.
get hassled.
Yeah, that's fine. Ready,
There's
Max?
there's not a border wait right now.
Yeah, I know, that's why.
Yeah.
Ahí te trabajan los tres.
Sí, mijito, pongan la línea quizá con usted.
Sí. Let's go.
First ride, Mark.
Huh?
You had big bumpers before.
Aye.
First startup. Oh, the clutch.
What's this?
Woohoo!
What is this? Oh,
It's the license plate. Bye.
tell us your thoughts.
I don't have thoughts right now. I'm just in awe because of my Z. It's f***ing sick AF, fam. I don't know why it has that
Your traction control?
Yeah, I think traction control is off. How do I do traction control?
Noob.
Yeah, there we go.
Right here? Coast?
No, let's try this.
That must be super confusing. The colors.
Yeah.
The green is regular, black is diesel, and the red is supreme.
Hola, ¿cómo estamos? ¿Me da 10 el rojo? $10 en el rojo?
$10 el rojo.
Por favor. I want to make sure that we get home because I got work in an hour and a half.
What time is it?
I still don't know how to drive this damn car, and there's traction control it's on. It's good to go. I'm trying to find out how to get home in the Z. Didn't scrape surprisingly. That was pretty cool. Turn on my AC.
It's all shaky.
Shaky cam?
It's super shaky.
I just picked up the car, dropped off the money, what I needed, paid my uncle. We're going to Mexico. We're going back to the United States. We just paid for some gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Gonna get back home to go work. Drive smooth, super legit. Door opens fine. Paint was legit. The daytime running lights, I wired them in like fog lights because apparently they are daytime running lights. So once you shove it into third gear, or once you shove it into fifth or first gear, the light turns on. Yeah, I didn't want it like that. I don't want them getting into the wiring into the clutch harness and all that shit. So I was like, whatever, who cares? So, what are your thoughts, Max? How does it feel being in the passenger seat and not having to crawl into the other side?
It feels good. Watch out. Oi. Oi.
Straight Nash.
It doesn't even scrape. Are you happy about that?
Yeah, it has 19-inch wheels, that's why.
And as of right now, it's bumpy.
Yeah, well, because we're in fucking Mexico, the streets of Brazil.
Yeah. But yeah, I like it.
It's smooth, right?
Yeah, it feels like I'm in Fast and Furious or something. Bling, 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 bling.
Yeah, it feels kind of short. I don't know, they might have moved my seat. I'm not sure, but it feels way better. I know with the rack and pinion, this is so hard to steer. But with this on there, the new rack and pinion that we threw on there, dank memes, fam. Dank motherfucking memes. So, what time is it? 1:30. I gotta work at 3. What do you think we'll make it? How long do you think the border is?
We'll make it.
Yeah, they reset the battery or some shit because all my radio stations are gone. Where's my channel 933 family? So the process, what was the process? So I had to bring the car over here with no power steering fluid, with the f***ed up fender, with the f***ed up wheel, like a little donut wheel. What else? I brought it over here, brought the bumper, you guys saw that. All the pieces that I brought I had to bring individually. Brought it to the body shop. I put it on there, matched the paint. The only thing my uncle was saying is that the car's gonna need tires.
You know what we forgot to do?
What?
Put the GoPros on the car.
Ay, bitch, come on! I know, yeah, we did. It's okay. Fuck
Whatever,
it.
yeah.
Don't matter. Did my things work? Is there water in them? We'll see that. We'll see what's up with it. The only thing that's still on is the traction control light.
You can use your key fob hack smart to turn it off.
I don't think so. But we'll see. I mean, if anything, we have to get the ECU fucking roof flash or something. Holy shit, see those birds?
Birds! Wait, no, birds!
Oh, shit, look at all those birds. Holy shit.
That's crazy.
What the f is this bus doing?
Pass them. Go underneath like in Tokyo Drift, or no, not Tokyo Drift. Kicking it old school. Yeah.
Okay, back to San Diego.
Oh, yeah. It's so bumpy.
It's the fucking street.
There's no line.
Don't fucking jinx us.
Yeah, no, I hope not.
What the f jinx the shit out of us? Ah, you jinxed the shit out of us.
No, my man, but you wait. There's a line.
There's a fat line, bro.
Not that fat.
What do you think about the stitching on the seat?
That's good. Will I get it? Will I get it? Boom.
What time is it? It's not 6:44, bro. What the f? Good thing we have a line though, because now I can f with all my little gauges. So this is a Nissan Z 370Z with the Alcantara steering wheel, with the little motherfucking red thing and the dots. You can see that's in the front. The gasoline cluster. It's over here. Empty. This is E's for empty. Are you even
I'm trying to
recording? E is for E, F is for F. You know what I mean? This is a little. This is a little TV. Little TV like the old TVs, like those tube TVs that came with a cabinet, came with like furniture. It was built in. That's a TV, and that's the corded control or remote for the MF TV. I'm kind of hungry, dude. Are you hungry? I'm hungry, low key.
Yeah. Quality's nice, dude. Like, you can like see everything. Dude, imagine like the pictures we're gonna be taking, dude.
Ay, cabrón! Ay, pinche cabrón!
I didn't even get your face.
Ay, pinche cabrón! I have to get this detailed, bro. It's all dirty and dusty and brown.
Look at those pigeons. Look at those pigeons. Walk, 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 walk.
I've sold my 240. I sold it when? I sold it in 2000. I sold it in February. When I sold it in February what? It was like mid-February, I think.
Mid-February.
When I sold then, I was like, I gotta buy. I started looking for a car. So I started looking at the auctions, looking. From February to February, March, April, May, June, July, end of July, 5 months it took me to find a car that I wanted to buy on the auctions. And then I bought the car, and then I had it shipped here. That cost some money. And then I had it here. Then I had the suspension replaced, the airbags replaced, the stitched up. And I had to get the rack and pinion. I had to get the wheel fixed. I had to get a fender. I decided to go to the 2015 Nismo front end. So I had to buy the front end. I bought the headlights because the headlights internally they're black versus not black. They're like white. They're like chromed inside. They're super ugly. I don't like those, so I wanted those. So I got that. I brought all the products here. They did the body work. They did the paint. They wired in the lights. They stitched up the seat. And now we're here picking up the end result. And this is it. This is the end result. Super legit. I'm driving it home. I work at 3, and that's it. This is gonna take way longer than 1 hour. But that's it. You'll see hella videos, dank memes videos. After this, well, we're gonna post that first. And
yeah.
Alright.
Toasty Loco.
So I just wanted to.
I got some freaking stupid Doritos.
Like literally, Doritos are available all over the United States.
I know. I don't know why I went with. I think it's just because like they get messy, and I don't want to mess up your MF.
I just wanted to show the American people
What they're missing out.
why you shouldn't build that wall. Toasty Locos.
And Doritos.
You can get that in the States, you dummy. This is Sprite. It's Mexican, so there's an E in the front of it. See that?
Oh yeah.
Sprite. It tastes better. I don't know. Fun fact, in the United States, it's cheaper to get their hands on corn syrup. So, all the sugar in the States is mainly corn syrup, as opposed to Mexico. They use real sugar, cane sugar, so their sodas taste better. And their shit just tastes good. I just wanted you guys to see how bomb this shit is. That's it. That's it. I want to show you how bomb this shit is. This is my breakfast.
Giveaways when a brand new car or truck or cash.
That's it. Bye.
Up to $100,000.
We gone, baby. We gone. That Camaro ain't want it.
How long were we in the border for? Like 2 hours?
Like 4 hours. What time we leave? Like at 1:30.
Yeah.
It's 4:17. But it's okay. We're in America. We're in the U.S. of A. now, baby. Land of the free, home of the brave. And the Z and the Monster Z. Should I take the 125 or not?
No, it's already 4. Happy dude?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Palm Avenue.
That's it. I just want to show you the beast that's been unleashed onto San Diego, baby.
Alright, say goodbye, Mark.
Alright, type us up.